Hey guys, it's Rain, and I'm gonna show you how I made this giant Pokeball. So it's going to be a time lapse of the creation of this Pokeball. It was so hard to make, but it was worth it. if you're interested in the little hole in the middle, this Pokeball is becoming a clock. So it's going to be a giant clock. And I think I need to get a new iron because this guy is starting to not heat evenly. As you can tell, I have some spots here that just did not want to melt all the way. And if I flip it around on the back, you can see where I had gotten some full melt in different spots on the back. I got a little bit there too, and along the top here, but it didn't full melt everywhere. I don't like it when it does this, because that means that there's too much heat coming through in one place, and it can make it awful thin, like it did along the top here. But after I pressed it, it didn't curl too much, which is nice. It will lay flat. And what I'm going to be doing with it is it's going to sit like this, and I'm going to have these little guys once they're all done. I will be making videos of how I made all of these guys. They will go at the 12, 3, 6, and 9 spots on the clock, and then the hands will be in the middle here. So I thought that was actually pretty cool. So look forward to, I'll have a video of this guy once I get them all finished and ironed, and then I'll start working on the videos for the Bulbasaur, the Squirtle, and the Pikachu that are going to be on this clock. So watch out for those videos. They will be coming. It's just these guys are quite time consuming, especially the large ones, because they take such a long time to put together and to iron. But yeah, I figured I'd put all the videos together and show you guys how I put together the clock. So look forward to those, and I will see you guys later. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye!